Alright guys, so I want to take a look at this gaming laptop cooling pad. Now I don't do gaming, but I wanted a cooling pad. I just recently bought a brand new 17.4 inch laptop. Now this is made by, and I'll spell the name, DEPGI. Haven't a clue how you pronounce that. DEPGI. The one that I got, you can see here with the dot, it's a DE025NF Pro. And you'll see some of the specs there. Now, as you would expect, it just comes with like this manual, just more or less 4 sides. Now you get this power cord, USB-A to USB-C. Overall length, tip to tip, is 20 inches. Now, as previously shown, this has multiple positions for the angle. Folds up really nice. Just flip this bar up, push this down, and that just goes into place like that. Just like that. So now you've got something that you can put it away, take it with you wherever you want, and it's a slim profile. Now, something that I like, you'll notice on the top where the power goes into, you can choose from USB-A or USB-C cord to power this thing. Now it's got these feet. Now they come off. They're both off, and you've got to push them in. Very simple. You'll see there's 2 little slots. You push this down, and then it's got a rubber pad up here, so that catches your laptop, keeps it from sliding down. Now this thing's very lightweight, plastic and metal construction, and what's really interesting, which is nice, is this has got like this metal screen here, and the fan is movable so that whatever the hotspot is of your laptop, you can move it around. And it stays put wherever you put it. Now the reason it does that is because it's got magnets that hold it to this metal wire mesh. And you can see that it's got the wire that connects it down there, so that allows it to be tethered and still work because of that cable that you see there. And it stays on there. When you go to push it off, I mean, it's on there good. It's not going to just come off on its own. In fact, I don't know if you can. Yeah, I thought that might show it. You're pushing down on it. It's on there good. So, nice unit. I'm really happy with it. These are $59.99 at Amazon, but I had a $9 off coupon. So when you first power this on, it goes into automatic mode. It doesn't sense that the temperature's hot, so it shuts off. So now what you want to do is push and hold it, it goes into AA. Okay, that is the manual mode. Push it a second time, A2, medium speed. Push it a third time, fast, fan speed. Push it again, it shuts off. Now, as long as you don't disconnect any power to this cooling pad unit, then all you've got to do is hit the button. You're at A1, slow, push it again, A2 medium, push it again, A3, now you're at the high speed, fast fan mode. Now, as you can see, it's got lights that go all the way around. Now, I've got the fan off at the moment, but if we take and push in and hold the button, it says LED, and the LED is the manual mode. So now, when we push this again, let me get back to, there's off. Okay, there's 1 green, C1 is green, C2 is red, C3 is blue, and C4 is kind of an aqua color, I guess. Then C5 has that pattern, C6 is that pattern, C7 is that light pattern, and then C8 is that pattern. Now, if I take and push this in again and hold it, it goes into AI mode. And you have L2, L1. Now watch when I talk. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing. This is L2, testing, testing. So this is the sound mode. So when it picks up the noise, whether you're playing music or gaming, and I don't do gaming, but you can see how, as I speak, see how the lights change? Now we're in L1. So that's kind of cool. I guess if you're a gamer, I wouldn't have a need for it, but this is a feature that it does have. Now, when it's in the LED mode, then you can hit it and shut off the lights.